Teachers have a powerful set of controls called Teacher Tools used to moderate student activity. To access your Teacher Tools, select the orange Tools icon. For teachers, the activity feed is one of the central hubs of MySciLife. From here, you control access to your communities and the student content that appears on MySciLife. By default, student activity on MySciLife must be moderated by their teacher. This includes students joining a community, creating or editing an identity, creating posts, or commenting on the posts of others. To moderate student content, use the filters at the top of the activity feed to locate the item that needs moderation. Select the item to view it full screen. Then, use the toggle to approve or disapprove the item. If approved, the content will be live immediately. You can also moderate content directly in the activity feed. If you disapprove an item, you have the option of providing feedback, which will be sent to the student via private message. Teachers use the Manage Student screen to adjust individual student settings, including moderation. Each student is listed here. You can filter your student listing by community or alphabetically by using the filters at the top of the screen. In the center of each student listing is a moderation toggle specific to that student. When a student's moderation toggle is set to community setting, that student's activity will be moderated based on the settings of the community in which they are interacting. When the toggle is set to always moderate, that student's activity will always require your moderation regardless of the settings of the community in which they are interacting. When the toggle is set to trust, that student's activity will appear without moderation, regardless of the settings of the community in which they are interacting. You can also use this screen to view, edit, or delete student identities, see their drafts, award or remove badges, send a message to a student, or adjust student account settings. Teachers use the Manage Community screen to create new communities or change community preferences, including moderation. To create a new community, select Create Community. Give your community a name and a unique access code. Then select Create. Your community is now created. To adjust community preferences, select the Edit icon. You can use this screen to change your community access code or title and to view all members of the community. You can also adjust other preferences, including enabling or disabling the ability for students to post, comment, or respond within the community, and how students are seen by other community members. You can also adjust community moderation preferences or set the community to read only, which temporarily disables student activity. To give other teachers who are members of this community the ability to moderate student content, select Grant Teacher Privileges next to their name at the bottom of this screen. When you're done making changes to your community preferences, select Save Changes. You can also use this screen to delete a community. Please note, deleted communities cannot be recovered.